In MOCVD manufacturing, wafer carrier consistency is critical to quality and efficiency. Many manufacturers monitor this by visual inspection, which lends itself to subjectivity and human error. The KSA Emissometer measures both diffuse and specular reflectance to give an emissivity map of the carrier. This gives statistics on the uniformity of the overall carrier, as well as the pockets and web. It also detects microcracks and provides data for objective quality decisions. You can also discover contamination on carriers. The emissivity has been proven to correlate with temperature maps of the carrier. Imagine having all of this information for yield improvement, quality certificates, comparisons of carrier vendors, and quality control. Visit kspace.com for more information on what the KSA Emissometer can do for you.